of our project is multitask robot for blind people under the guidance of Dr. C. Subramanian sir. By our batch members Karesh Kumar, Kishore Kumar, and Stanley and Yasir, Mohammed Yasir. The main aim of the project is to blind the guide people using the ultrasonic sensor.
This is a top view of the robot. It is Arduino Uno, which controls which is a microcontroller which controls the whole actions in the robot. This is a battery supply. It is a 12-volt battery supply which is supplying the power to the whole motor and the board, which controls everything. And this is a solar panel which is automatic. The functions is automatically rechargeable to the battery. And this both 4-way relays and motor driver which controls the 2 motorized wheels, which 4-way relays is used for positive and in other ways positive frontward and backward motions. 4 relays, each 2 relays control the one motor and the other 2 relays control the another motor. And the Arduino controls the whole programming languages, programming actions in the of the robot. And here we kept some ultrasonic sensor which is used to detect the obstacles in the frontward. And we can also place in other sides too, but for the prototype we have fixed in the front part. Then once the robot operated by the mobile, which is go to the kitchen or any other thing, it will be moving to the destination. If any obstacle caused in the sensor, at that time that will ask we need to move in the left or right. We need to give some instructions on the basis of which side we need to move. And then here we have a temperature sensor and a fan and a small light, which because we have also added some features like switch on the fan and light through the voice recognition in the mobile, so that we have a small fan and a small light. When we in the mobile we give a speech like turn on the fan. At the time it will be on, and turn on the light. At the time the light will be turned on. Here we fix some temperature sensor. The robot will while wandering in the house, at the time any fire cast in the house means it will be helping to sense, and it will be beeping a sound through the buzzer, and it will be working.
Light on. Light off. Air conditioner on. Air conditioner off. Charge.
Temperature high. Obstacle detected. Say turn left or right.
Go to kitchen. Go to store.
to room.